Hello everyone, my name's Tate and today I'm very excited to be talking about the Victrola Stream Onyx. Today we're going to be going over some of the features like the fact that this turntable works with Sonos, the premium design, and the overall aesthetic. Let's get into it. As we turn it around, you'll notice it opens in a nice clamshell fashion. The first thing you're going to notice is the dust cover. As we pull it out here, very simple design that goes on top once you're ready to store your record player away. Next thing we pull out is the record player itself. It's got a nice heft to it, not overbearing. Underneath the record player itself, you'll find the platter in this nice little bag here. Pull that off. That simply goes right on top here. You'll also find the counterweights below. Pull those out. This is the adapter for your 45s, and this is your counterweight. The power cord, as well as your cartridge. This is our setup. This turntable is fully compatible within the Sonos ecosystem. As you can also see, there are RCA inputs on the back, which allows you to connect to other speakers, as well as an Ethernet port that gives you better wireless connectivity. Now getting into the premium features of this belt-driven turntable. First off, you'll notice it does have two speeds, or 33 and 45. It has a premium tone arm to reduce vibration and give you better sound, as well as a removable cartridge so you can replace whenever needed. Flipping this turntable one more time, we're going to show off the aesthetic. As you can see, the nice all black will go well with any Sonos system. This dial illuminates and allows you to control your volume of your Sonos devices or what other speakers you might have connected to it. You can, however, control the volume right through the Sonos app. That's it for the Victrola Stream Onyx. Once again, my name's Tate, and if you have any other questions about this product or ones like it, please click the link below to shop with an expert like me. Now for some tunes.